Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the blockchain wallet application on your PC. So let's get started right away. In order to install the blockchain wallet application, you will need to use an Android emulator. So open up your web browser first and then in the address bar type in bluestacks.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official BlueStacks website, from which you can directly click on the download button to download the BlueStacks emulator installer file. Just open up the installer after it is downloaded and then you can scroll through the next buttons to install the BlueStacks emulator on your system. Once it is installed, you can open it up to gain access to your Android home screen, and now simply go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. You might be asked to log into your Google account if this is the first time you are using BlueStacks. So log into your account and then you will find the search box. Tap on the search box and type in blockchain.com and start your search. Now once you find the blockchain crypto wallet application, go ahead and tap on the install button. After tapping on install, the download and installation for blockchain wallet will begin. Just wait for a while until installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can go ahead and tap on it to open up the blockchain wallet application. And now you can sign up or log into your account on blockchain.com and start using the crypto wallet right from your PC. And there you have it. That is how you can install and use the blockchain.com wallet on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.